So I did have some more orders, but I did those for Instagram. I had 2 lip scrub orders. Right now, I'm about to fill a jar up. I'm sending no oils. I hate when it just turns off out of nowhere, because now my measurements are all wrong. So this is the last order that I have to do, and then I'm gonna go ahead and get dressed. These orders to the post office. I have 1, 2, 3. I'm shipping off 5 orders today. Y'all know I set up my Sezzle account in the previous video, and I've been getting sales from that. I think I have 4 sales from Sezzle so far, so I'm very excited about that. Once I get back in the house, I'm gonna start working on a product that I want to release, I think this Friday. The new products I'm going to be bringing to my site are 8-ounce jars, but it's for my exclusive collection. So y'all know, ever since I started my Glisten Glam collection, it's always been in the tubes. That was something like very exclusive, and that's just how I wanted it. But ever since I started it, I've always received questions. Will these ever be in jars? I'll pay extra. Can I have them in jars? And I've always said, like, no, it's just in tubes. So I decided that I will offer them in jars. I already have my prices figured out, everything. I went over those with my grandma because I do not want to lowball myself. The Glisten Glam collection is a lot of work. It's a lot more product and a lot of work. So I want to make sure I'm getting my money's worth. I'm also making profit, and I'm able to put, you know, money back into my business, stuff like that. For the amount of product that you'll be getting, I do believe my price is worth it. And I also have Sezzle, so if you cannot pay the full amount right away, then you will be able to set up a little payment plan through Sezzle. But yeah, I'm extremely excited about this. So tonight I'm going to be working on the new jars. The Glisten Glam collection will finally be available in our 8-ounce jar. We have both options, scented with oils and unscented with no oils. But tonight all I'm going to do is unscented, no oils. And I'm just going to do one of each so I can make videos, take pictures, and get them up on the website and have them ready for Friday when I release them. The first gloss I'll be making is Me versus Me. These are the 3 colors that make the gloss. This is a 3-in-1 gloss, so you will have 3 jars for this gloss. These do come with chunky glitter, but I'm going to add those in once I mix these up. The Glitz and Glam collection jars are completely finished and they look so beautiful. I don't know if y'all can hear my voice, but I am tired, okay? I'm so tired. And I have 3 jars to make, but I'm gonna do those tomorrow. I have a returning customer. She ordered 3, I think, nude glosses, so I have to do that. And then a new customer ordered 120 glosses, the Glitz and Glam collection, and regular wholesale. And I have another order for wand tubes. Whew. So I have a lot of work to do, and then I also want to restock my samples. So I'm probably gonna do that early tomorrow, and then after I do the samples, I'm gonna work on the squeeze tube order. But these are the jars. Super pretty. So this is a bundle right here. This is the gloss Ambitious. It is holographic, and then it has white at the top. These are single glosses. This is Hustler, Moneymaker, and Trendsetter. This one has chunky glitter in it, and these 2 have our flowers. These 2 rows are our 3-in-1 glosses. So this one right here is Boss Up, and this is Me Versus Me. So definitely by the time this video goes up, these will be available. I'm gonna release them this Friday. So what I'm about to do is take my pictures. Hopefully I can get some good ones, and that's about it. So I put them on the site so that I could see how it will look when I release them on Friday, and I like how they look. It's very pretty. So we're gonna have a unscented of oils option, and then a scented with oils option. So I'm about to go ahead and get my description ready, the product info, the shipping, all that's gonna be like right here. The description is gonna be over here. See, and when you pay with Sezzle, it'll be $18. These are the glosses, so I put it like that, boop, boop, and then the singles, and then got the rest right here. My business cards have finally arrived. Let's see how they look. Hopefully they're pretty. So y'all know how I am, very simple, okay? Don't like to do too much. So this is the front. It just has my logo on it, and then the back says, "Hi beautiful, thank you for shopping." Then it has my social media handles, email, website. Then I put a little quote. It says, "A girl should be 2 things, classy and fabulous." Real simple. I like it. So this is my thank you card, and here is my business card. I like them. So y'all, I'm gonna be honest, today I'm just not feeling it. Like, I really don't feel like doing any type of work. So I just been literally laying in my bed chilling, looking at apartments and stuff. But I did post something on Instagram today. I posted a reel of these 3 right here, getting the folks ready for the release on Friday. But yeah, like, I got work to do, but I seriously don't feel like doing it. Like, I'm just not feeling it today. So I'm gonna try to like get in the mood so I could do some work later, because I do have a lot to do and I do want to ship Friday. But right now I don't feel like doing nothing. I think I'm about to bake some cookies and just relax for a little bit, and then I'm gonna get up and force myself to do some work. So it is now nighttime and I'm about to go ahead and start working. So I'm gonna start with the Glitz and Glam collection. She got 20 glosses, Me Versus Me, Bossed Up, Hustler, and Ambitious. It is now Thursday. I've been working on this basically all day, okay? So I'm ready to go ahead and finish. I have 50 more to fill. I'm gonna fill those on camera with y'all. So as y'all can see, she got almost every color and it looks beautiful, okay? She got both collections, the glitz and glam and then our regular wholesale. Love to see it. I love to see color, okay? I love when my customers order color. Like, it's just so pretty.